Hi, fourth grade math AIG kids. Today you're going to finish working on the intervals problems, and I want you guys to finish numbers 13 through 16. And I would like for you to, everybody work number 13, and then you will push play again and look at the explanation of how 13 is worked. And then you can work 14 and then watch, and then push play again and watch how 14 is worked. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the answer for number 13. So if you're watching this, push pause and then push play when you're ready to see the answer to number 13. So for 13, you want to draw, I drew a square for the garden, and then I knew that the one side of the square was 24 meters, so I drew just one side. And I knew that each pot had 3 meters between the next pot. So starting at the beginning of 24, I figured out there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 intervals there of 3, which means 9 pots. So if I were to count all 4 sides of the square, there's 9 pots on each side. But you have to be careful because you don't count the corner squares twice. So starting at number 1, you would count 9 across, then up to 17, then over to 25, and then down, and there's 32 pots. Press pause until you're ready for number 14. This is number 14. There were 6 knots on a ribbon. The length between the second and the fifth was 60. So here I have the second and the fifth. The length is 60. There are 3 intervals there in between, so that means there's 20 meters between each knot. So I know starting from the beginning, there's 20 here, and then there's 20 at the end, which makes a total of 100 centimeters. Pause this now before you go to number 15. You need to work number 15. Make sure you draw a picture because the picture really helps. Here's number 15. If the bus leaves the station every 10 minutes, here's the first bus leaving. Then 10 minutes later, bus 2, bus 3, bus 4, bus 5, bus 6, bus 7. 7 buses leave the station in 60 minutes because when I break up from 0 to 60, there are 6 intervals, which means 7 buses. Now work number 16. Draw a picture. This one was a little more challenging. It takes Professor Sullivan 11 minutes to stroll past the 12th lamppost along a quiet road. How many lampposts would he have strolled past after 30 minutes? Well, I drew my lampposts from 1 to 12, and I knew that whole length of time was 11 minutes. Well, there's only 11 intervals there. So that means it's 1 minute per lamppost. So if he's going to travel for 30 minutes, then I know he's going to pass by 31 lampposts because the interval, there are 11 intervals for 12 lampposts. So I know, I'm sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. There's 11 intervals for 12 lampposts, and so there would be 31 posts for 30 minutes, 30 intervals for 31 posts. I hope this all makes sense. Feel free to watch the video again if you need the explanation, but when you finish this, if you have time still in the AIG class, you should work on any additional problems from the math quest that you did not finish. And I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.